Norm reference grading is based on a relative achievement in a given group, often referred to as grading on a curve. We touched on this briefly in the last module. There are some problems with grading on a curve. The biggest problem, of course, is that it doesn't really evaluate what's important, which is how much the learner has mastered the content. It only evaluates how the individual did in relation to their peers. Now, if you're looking at a huge group like a big national standard like the Step 1 exam, that may have some meaning. But if you're looking at a small group like a class, it doesn't really mean very much. And what also is a problem is grading standards fluctuate depending on the quality of the group. If you have a class of high performers, for example, learners who may have easily received an A if they'd been in a different peer group may receive a C because they were in a group of high performers. Likewise, on the other side of the equation, a learner who may have received a C if they'd been in a strong group might receive an A if they're lucky enough to be in a low-performing peer group. And some instructors will try to compensate for this problem by increasing the percentage of A's they give in high-performing groups, but that's entirely subjective, and it's a slippery slope, leading to grade inflation and opening you up for all sorts of biases and grade challenges. And some randomly fix cutoff points, so 20% A's, 20% F's, etc. And some will use a traditional bell-shaped curve. And the bell curve has its uses, but it's wholly inappropriate for grading. Student performance is rarely going to be distributed neatly along a bell curve. Also, grading on a curve can create an undesirable element of competition within the group. It discourages cooperative learning because helping a classmate means that my own grade might be lower. So there are lots of challenges with norm reference grading, and it's not generally recommended.